Installing a front sight is an easy job if you have the proper installation tool. Start by lubricating the front sight spring and detent with a dab of lithium grease. Then place the spring and detent into the recess in the front sight base. The spring fits inside the cavity on the bottom of the detent. Now screw the front sight in until the detent prevents you from going any farther. This is a front sight adjustment tool. The prongs on the front engage the notches in the sight, forcing the detent down, allowing us to adjust the front sight to the desired height. Simply place the tool over the sight and turn it clockwise. Until the bottom of the sight is flush with the base for now.